The word that's coming in from the Maharashtra Assembly that the Maharashtra Speaker poll has in fact been postponed. We got to know that a letter has been received by the governor to the Aghadi government, and now we are getting to hear that the poll for the Speaker of the Assembly has been postponed. Remember, this is the last day of the winter session of the Maharashtra Assembly today, and on the last day, the Speaker election is not going to happen. Sandeep, my colleague who's tracking developments, is live with me on the broadcast. Sandeep, no polls.
Griya, as you rightly said, the MVA government is on a back step right now, and the elections for speaker post are not happening now, and definitely this is a big setback for the MVA government. Remember, the MVA government wrote 4 letters to the governor of Maharashtra, Bhagat Singh Kosheri, to get the elections done, but the governor reply raised some legal questions in regards of, doing the speaker elections. So definitely it is a huge setback for the state of Maharashtra as well as for the MVA government that the elections are not happening. Remember, the tussle between the governor and the MVA government is not new. Before this, we have seen governor not allowing or not giving permission for the 12 MLCs for the MVA government. Apart from that, there have been issues in regards of several programs or several laws that has been made by the MVA government. The governor has always been a biggest hurdle for the MVA government, and definitely this time it has proved now that the speaker elections are not happening. In fact, MVA source speaking exclusively to Mirror Now said that we are in fact planning a special session. We are looking over the legalities, and we will definitely take a special session, or the upcoming session we will definitely make someone to sit on the speaker's post. Griha.
Right, Sandeep, thank you so much for getting us all the developments on this story. And lack of time is what has been quoted for not going ahead with the poll of the speaker there. We have to wait and watch till when does this tussle between the governor and the Maha Vikas Aghadi government continue as far as Maharashtra is concerned.